The Cellular Network Not Available error on your Tracfone means your device can't connect to a network. This is often due to coverage issues, SIM card problems, or incorrect APN settings. Tracfone uses major networks like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, so connectivity hinges on a strong signal. First, check if you are in an area with known coverage. Use the Tracfone app or website to view coverage maps. If coverage is weak or non-existent, that's likely the cause. Also, 5G adoption has improved connectivity in urban areas, but rural regions may still experience gaps. This error affects roughly 15 to 20% of Tracfone users as of Q2 2025, often due to SIM or APN issues. To fix the Cellular Network Not Available error, start by checking your SIM card. Ensure it's properly inserted or activated. If you have an eSIM, verify it's correctly set up. Next, examine your APN settings. For Verizon-based Tracfones, the APN should be Tracfone with APN Tracfone. Incorrect APN settings are responsible for over 60% of connectivity issues. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names to check and edit your APN. Manually selecting your network can also help. Go to Settings, Network and SIM, Preferred Network Type, and choose LTE. For iPhone users on AT&T compatible plans, resetting network settings can restore default APN configurations. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. If problems persist, contact Tracfone support or consult device-specific online forums for more solutions.